Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Lyft app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change languages on the Lyft app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on You on the bottom right-hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Settings. Afterwards, scroll down even further and then click on Language Preferences. And then this is where you can choose between English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and more. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your language on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.